There is a new, faceless YouTube niche dominating the platform right now, and most people still have no idea how it actually works. It's called the 2D documentary niche, and in this video, I'm going to show you the complete system behind it. But first, you need to understand why this format is getting so much attention. Take a look at this channel right here. It has only uploaded 117 videos, yet it has already grown to nearly 429,000 subscribers. Because these videos are not pulling average numbers. They're getting millions of views, and every single video follows the same documentary-style formula. You've probably already seen these types of AI-generated documentary videos on YouTube, and honestly, they look insanely professional. A lot of people keep saying these channels cannot get monetized, but that is completely wrong. These channels are 100% monetizable, and you can even see it on your screen right now. This type of channel can easily generate around $4,000 to $8,000 per month, which makes this one of the biggest opportunities right now for faceless YouTube creators. So this video is going to be extremely important for anyone serious about building a successful AI faceless channel. First of all, let's start with the master prompt that I personally prepared for cinematic documentary videos. This is not a normal prompt. Inside this single document, I added everything step by step. Story idea generation, topic selection, character style, environment visual style, scene generation. It took a huge amount of work to build. Now simply copy the prompt, because today we're going to use a tool called HIX AI. The link will be in the description. Simply log in. And the best part is that it gives you free credits. Yes, free credits. You can use them to generate AI images, videos, and even chat with multiple AI models inside one dashboard. After logging in, you'll see a very clean and beautiful dashboard where you can access AI slides, AI video, AI image, documentary tools, deep search, and AI chat. But without wasting any time, let's start with AI chat. First, click on AI chat. Then go to Models. And here you'll find all major AI models in one place. Google models, ChatGPT models, Claude AI, DeepSeek, and more. Since this is an all-in-one platform, you don't need to switch between different websites. So I'm selecting the latest GPT model. After that, I go back to my document, copy the master prompt, paste it into the chat box, and click Generate. Within seconds, the AI gives us 10 viral documentary topic ideas. Now from those topics, simply choose the one you like the most. After selecting the topic, type something like Topic 4 and click Generate again. And this is where the magic happens. The AI instantly creates the full documentary structure, including scenes, voiceover script, image prompts, video prompts, editing effects, sound design, and cinematic direction. Everything gets generated automatically inside one workflow. You don't need any other tool or complicated process. As you can see, our scenes are now fully generated, and if you want, you can even ask the AI to generate more scenes. Now let's move to the next step. Image generation. Open a new homepage and go to the AI image generation section. The first thing you need to do is upload a reference image. Simply take a screenshot from a successful documentary channel thumbnail and upload it as a reference. Then go to Models. Here you'll find multiple powerful image models, including Google Nano Banana, ChatGPT image models, Midjourney, Stability AI, Flux, Kling AI, Seedream, Ven, and many more. For consistent cinematic images, I personally recommend selecting Nano Banana 2. Then, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio and set the resolution to 2K. You can even select 4K if you want higher quality. Now, go back, copy the first image prompt generated by the AI, paste it here, and click Generate. Within seconds, your first cinematic documentary image will be ready. And honestly, the result looks incredible. The lighting, cinematic atmosphere, documentary feel, and background depth all look extremely professional. Exactly like those viral faceless documentary channels. Now simply download the image. Then repeat the same process for Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and the remaining scenes. Just copy the prompt, upload the reference image, keep the same model for consistency, and click Generate. And as you can see, every image looks visually connected and cinematic. That's the power of using consistent prompting and reference images. Now once all images are ready, download everything, because the next step is video generation. And trust me, this part becomes even more exciting. Just go back to the homepage, and as soon as you return, you'll see the AI video option right there. Simply click on AI video. Once you open it, you'll see multiple powerful video models available. If you go into the Models section, you'll find HIX AI models, Google VO3, OpenAI Sora, Kling AI, Hailuo AI, Seedance 2, Video AI, and many more advanced tools. Honestly, there are so many models available that it's impossible to mention all of them in one video. First of all, I'm selecting CDance 2, and from here, I select the frame-to-video mode. After that, I choose the 16.9 aspect ratio, select the resolution, and set the video length. You can generate videos up to 50 seconds long, depending on your preference. Once everything is set, upload your first image as the starting frame. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT and open the prompts section. From there, copy the Scene 1 video prompt along with the editing instructions and sound effects. Otherwise, you can generate the voice separately using any AI voice tool later. Now, simply paste the prompt and click Generate. As you can see, the first cinematic video has started generating. Within a few moments, it will be ready, and then we'll preview the final result. And honestly, in my opinion, HIX AI is currently one of the best AI tools available because it gives you access to almost every major AI model in one place. And now, the first video is finally ready. Just look at how professional this looks. The cinematic movement, the sound effects, the editing style, and the visual quality all feel extremely powerful and premium. The only thing I recommend generating separately is the voiceover because of the text limitations inside the video tool. But overall, the result looks absolutely amazing. Now, for the second video, the process is exactly the same. Upload the second image as the starting frame, select your model, and now the preview is finally here. Oh my God, look at the cinematic zoom-in effect, the atmosphere, the fire scene, and the overall documentary feeling. The editing looks insanely high quality, and the AI is generating everything automatically, according to our prompts. Now let's move to the third scene. Again, upload the image, paste the third video prompt, and this time, let's change the model completely. I'm selecting Kling 3 for this scene. You can even increase the durations to 15 seconds if you want longer cinematic shots. Once everything is ready, click Generate. And now the third video has started generating. After a few moments, the result is ready, and honestly, this one looks incredible as well. This time, the AI added zoom effects, multi-shot transitions, and cinematic camera movements automatically. If I had selected a longer duration, it would have added even more scenes according to the prompts. Now, for the next scene, I upload the next image, and this time, I select Google Veo 3.1 as the model. Then, I paste the next prompt, choose the resolution, and click Generate. Instantly, the next cinematic generation starts processing. After a short wait, the video becomes ready. And when you preview it, you can see a man standing in a lockdown environment with beautiful cinematic zoom-in and zoom-out effects, smooth transitions, and professional documentary-style editing. Honestly, the visuals look extremely realistic and engaging. Now simply repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Upload the image, paste the prompt, select your preferred model, and click Generate. One by one, all your documentary scenes will be ready. And honestly, the last scene turned out absolutely insane. The atmosphere, the captured prisoners, the cinematic text reveal. Everything looks incredibly professional and emotional. Inside HIX AI, you also get access to AI slides where you can generate complete presentations automatically. Simply enter your topic, click Generate, and within minutes, your slides will be ready. You also get a documentary section where you can create marketing documentaries, research documentaries, educational documentaries, and much more. Everything is already built inside the platform, so you don't need to use multiple tools anymore. There's also a deep search feature where you can perform advanced research, marketing analysis, design exploration, learning, and educational research. HIX AI. Now, there's also a 50% discount available, so this is honestly one of the best times to try it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.